Hey everyone, welcome to our video. Today we're talking about oils. Nerve damage can be caused by a variety of factors, including injuries. But did you know that certain oils can significantly aid in alleviating nerve damage? We've got your back. Let's be real, nerve damage can leave us feeling weak and in pain. But it doesn't have to be that way. Get ready for 5 incredible oils that'll help soothe nerve damage and restore your health. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our health tips. 1. Lavender Oil. Lavender oil is renowned not only for its pleasant scent, but also for its extensive therapeutic properties, particularly its effectiveness in managing nerve pain. This essential oil is extracted from the flowers of the lavender plant and has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat various ailments, including issues related to nerve damage. One of the primary benefits of lavender oil is its ability to calm the nervous system. This calming effect can be especially beneficial for those suffering from nerve damage, as it can help reduce the pain and anxiety often associated with this condition. Lavender oil has natural analgesic, pain-relieving, and anti-inflammatory properties, making it an excellent choice for soothing inflamed nerves and easing the sharp shooting pains that can occur with nerve damage. Moreover, lavender oil can help improve sleep quality, which is crucial for those dealing with nerve pain. Poor sleep can exacerbate pain and hinder the body's healing processes. By promoting relaxation and a sense of calm, lavender oil can facilitate a deeper and more restorative sleep, aiding in the recovery and regeneration of nerve cells. To use lavender oil for nerve pain, it's recommended to dilute it with a carrier oil such as coconut or almond oil before applying it directly to the skin. You can gently massage the oil mixture onto the affected areas to help alleviate pain. Additionally, using lavender oil in a diffuser at bedtime can help create a peaceful environment conducive to good sleep, further supporting nerve health. Always conduct a patch test before applying lavender oil extensively, especially if you have sensitive skin, and consult with a healthcare provider to ensure it's safe for your specific health needs. Lavender oil offers a natural, gentle approach to managing nerve pain and improving overall well-being. 2. Peppermint Oil. Peppermint oil is a powerful essential oil derived from the peppermint plant, a hybrid of watermint and spearmint. Renowned for its refreshing scent and cooling sensation, peppermint oil is also highly effective in managing nerve pain, making it a popular choice in alternative medicine. One of the standout properties of peppermint oil is its natural analgesic, pain-relieving capabilities. The oil contains menthol, which is responsible for its cooling effects. When applied to the skin, menthol activates certain receptors that produce a cooling sensation, helping to numb nerve pain and reduce discomfort. This cooling effect can be particularly relieving for sharp shooting pains or the burning sensations often associated with nerve damage. Additionally, peppermint oil has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce swelling and inflammation around damaged nerves, further alleviating pain. The oil's ability to improve circulation is another key factor in its effectiveness against nerve pain. By enhancing blood flow, peppermint oil helps to promote the healing of injured tissues and nerves, speeding up the recovery process. To use peppermint oil for nerve pain, it's essential to dilute it with a carrier oil, such as jojoba or sweet almond oil, to prevent skin irritation. You can apply the diluted oil mixture directly to the affected area, gently massaging it in to increase absorption and improve blood flow to the area. Alternatively, inhaling the aroma of peppermint oil through a diffuser can also provide pain relief and enhance mental clarity, which may be diminished due to the distraction of chronic pain. Always conduct a patch test before using peppermint oil extensively, especially if you have sensitive skin. Also, consult with a healthcare provider before beginning any new treatment, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, or have a medical condition. 3. Frankincense Oil. Frankincense oil is famous not just for its historical significance, but also for its powerful health benefits, especially when it comes to nerve pain. This oil is extracted from the resin of the frankincense tree, which has been valued for its healing properties for thousands of years. One of the standout features of frankincense oil is its anti-inflammatory properties, which make it a great option for reducing the inflammation that often accompanies nerve damage. When nerves are damaged, they can become inflamed, causing pain and discomfort. Applying frankincense oil can help reduce this inflammation and alleviate some of the pain associated with it. Moreover, frankincense oil is known for its ability to strengthen the immune system. A strong immune system can help the body repair nerve damage more effectively. Additionally, this oil promotes relaxation and tranquility, which can be particularly beneficial if nerve pain is causing anxiety or sleep disturbances. To use frankincense oil, mix it with a carrier oil like olive oil or almond oil, and massage it gently over the affected areas. This can help the oil penetrate the skin and provide relief. You can also use a few drops in a diffuser to help calm the entire body and promote a sense of well-being. 4. Eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil, extracted from the leaves of the eucalyptus tree, is another fantastic oil for soothing nerve damage. Its main component, eucalyptol, is a natural compound that can help relieve pain and reduce inflammation. When applied to the skin, eucalyptus oil creates a cooling sensation that can quickly relieve pain from nerve damage. It's especially useful for those who experience sudden spikes of nerve pain that feel sharp and intense. The cooling effect not only soothes the pain, but also helps to distract from the discomfort. Eucalyptus oil is also excellent for improving circulation. Good blood flow is crucial for healing damaged nerves because it means more nutrients and oxygen are delivered to the needy areas. This can speed up the recovery process and help reduce pain over time. To use eucalyptus oil effectively, dilute it with a carrier oil and apply it to the skin around the painful areas. It's important to do a patch test first to ensure you don't have a reaction to the oil. Additionally, inhaling the vapors of eucalyptus oil can help clear the mind and reduce the psychological stress associated with chronic pain. 5. Chamomile oil. Chamomile oil is another excellent natural remedy, especially when it comes to soothing nerve pain and promoting overall relaxation. Chamomile oil comes from the chamomile plant, which has small daisy-like flowers. This plant has been used for centuries in herbal remedies because of its calming properties. When distilled into an oil, these calming effects become potent and beneficial, especially for those suffering from nerve damage. One of the primary benefits of chamomile oil is its ability to reduce inflammation. Inflammation often accompanies nerve damage and can lead to significant discomfort and pain. Applying chamomile oil to the affected area can help ease this inflammation and provide relief from the associated pain. This is because chamomile oil contains natural compounds that act like a gentle pain reliever and anti-inflammatory agent. Chamomile oil is also well known for its calming effects on the mind and body. For those experiencing pain and discomfort from nerve damage, stress and anxiety can often increase these symptoms. Using chamomile oil can help calm the mind, reduce anxiety, and aid in better sleep, which is crucial for healing and pain management. To use chamomile oil, it's best to dilute it with a carrier oil like coconut oil or jojoba oil. You can then massage it gently into the skin over the painful areas. This not only helps absorb the oil, but also increases blood flow to the area, which can aid in healing. Additionally, you can add a few drops of chamomile oil to a warm bath for a relaxing and therapeutic experience. Remember to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new treatment, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Chamomile oil can be a simple and effective way to help manage nerve pain naturally. Thank you for watching. We hope you found our discussion on the 5 best oils for nerve damage informative and helpful. Don't forget to give these oils a try and let us know how they work for you in the comments below. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Check out our other videos for more tips on managing nerve health and overall wellness. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.